Hello, Form 5 Chapter 5 video number 11. Okay, so last video we talked about speed and velocity, and today on this video we continue with another title called accelerations. Okay, so what's mean by acceleration? 什么叫 acceleration? 加速 speeding up. Okay, so the term acceleration means speeding up 加速. Okay, and the word what's mean by accelerations? The rate of change of velocity. 你改变速度的速度。Acceleration means speeding up 加速。Okay, this is the rate of change of velocity. 你改变速度的速度。Okay, don't know 不会不要怕。Measure in the unit meter per second per second. Okay, 它的单位叫 meter per second per second.Okay, or another meaning, in 1 second, how many meters per second of speed you can change? In 1 second, 在1秒里面，你可以改变多少的速度了 Okay, so meter per second, in 1 second, how many meter per second of velocity you can change? 你改变速度的速度。Not understand? Never mind. We go to the example. 我们看看它的 example. Okay, copy. Highlight. Okay, start. 再来。So what is the formula to calculate the acceleration? 要算加速的 formula 是什么呢？ Change in the velocity per unit of time. 在某某的时间里面，你可以换了多少的速度了？你改变速度的速度。Okay, or you can make the formula become simple, equal to the final velocity minus initial velocity. 最后的速度减掉刚开始的速度 over the time. So in a certain period of time, 在某某时段里面，你可以改变多少的速度？从原本的速度变成新的速度，你变了多少的速度了 ？So this is what we call accelerations. 这种 formula 就叫加速。Okay, but still not understand 还不明白，我们再来。So any example, we look at example. Or you know this car? 你有看过这种车吗？你有坐过吗？我没有了。Okay.But last time I go to Auto City, okay, I stand in front of the car shop, Porsche. 我站在他的车的店的前面 I look through the window or the mirror. 我用玻璃镜子看进去了 and I see the price. I still remember. Okay, 680,000. 680,000. So anything special of this car? 这种车到底有什么特别呢？ Why so expensive? 为什么会这样贵呢？好奇怪，对不对？ Okay, never mind. I show you the difference. The difference between this car and our car. 我们的车跟它的车有什么差别呢？ Okay. So for these cars, okay, from stop to 100 km per hour, it need 4 seconds. 它需要4秒就能从0了。Okay, become the speed 100 km per hour. That means let's say now you are Auto City, you are somewhere around Juru Highway 头 Okay, after you touch your goal, touch the touch and go, 当你摸你的 touch and go, you close your window, and now your car actually stop is 0, 对不对？ 0 meter per second or 0 km per hour 啦 Okay, so now if you press the throttle, 你压你的油呢，踏你的油，in 4 seconds, 1、2、3、4 the speed will go to 100 km per hour. 它的速度呢就来到100 km per hour. So how is the acceleration of this car? 这辆车的加速到底是多少呢？ Final velocity from 0 to 100, so the final velocity will be 100. Initial velocity 刚开始的速度 will be 0 over the time 4 seconds. 它用4秒从0变成100. So in 1 second, how many km per hour it can change? 在1秒里面，它的速度换了多少呢？ 25 km per hour 了。Okay, so 25 km per hour per second. 这是它改变速度的时间呢的速度了。Okay, but compared to this car, okay, I having one of the car like this. Last time, when I start to become tuition teacher 啦 actually I bought this style of car. 我曾经买过一辆 okay, and I actually test myself before. 我曾经自己 test 19.2 seconds from 0 to 100. Okay, 19.2秒 I tried before. 这种车刚好卖掉，现在我又买多一辆老的啦，不过美啦 Okay, 小辆很可爱。So how much is the acceleration for this car? 这辆车的加速到底多少呢 final velocity 100 initial velocity 0 but it need 19 seconds 它需要19秒 okay so for this car how much is the acceleration 它改变速度的速度是多少呢 5.26 km per hour per second 1秒里面它可以改变速度 5.26 km per hour what's the difference between these two cars if you're having your girlfriend beside you okay if you're having a Porsche and you press the throttle 你踏油 okay and your girlfriend will be attached on the chair on the seat 她就会粘在她的车的背后 okay and for this style of car if you press the full throttle okay and now you look at your girlfriend and your girlfriend look at you and your girlfriend still can eat lojia can eat rice 还可以一边吃饭然后一边看着你啦你的车okay so 差别在这边啦 that's why it's so expensive 难怪啦它这样贵明白吗 okay so this is what we call acceleration 加速Okay, I'll look at some of the example. Acceleration. 什么叫加速
Turning your head to see a new day calling. Does it feel like a head to lean on? A snapshot from where
And relax. Depois de jump uma vez no ar, foda-se, que tem ele.
you're caught in the wire. Will I lift you?
Okay, enough. Next. So now we go to some example like 试试看 An object start from a resting positions and achieve a velocity 10 meter per second in 2 seconds. So a stopping object 停着的东西 achieve a velocity 10 meter per second in 2 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the object. Okay, so 2 seconds from 0 become 10. 2秒它能来到10 1秒它变得5了So for me, I can see the answer. The acceleration will be 2 meter. The acceleration will be 5 meter per second 2秒它加速到10 1秒它加速到5罢了啦 So the acceleration will be 5 meter per second 1秒加速5啦 Okay, so acceleration equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over the time. The final is 10. Initial is resting mean 0啦，就等于0 Okay, over the time 2 seconds. So after calculation 5 meter per second 1秒它加速5 meter per second. Okay, second example. A car moving at a velocity of 90 km per hour 90 km per hour is quite normal 啦，普通 Apply its emergency brake so it stop so that it stop at 5 seconds. Okay, find the acceleration of the car 请找出这辆车的加速 Okay, from 90 to stop the car That means you are actually not acceleration. Your acceleration should be negative 应该是减才对为什么减呢 Okay, 你在减速不是在加速 So from 90 to become 0 And you need 5 seconds 你需要5秒才能停下来 What car? You imagine if your car want to stop from 90 And you need 5 seconds 1 2 3 4 5如果你当时是可能要撞到人那个人已经被你撞到了啦 Okay, 1秒就被撞了 So, 来And give the answer in meter per second 他要的答案是 meter per second So don't worry, we change this number into standard unit called meter per second Okay, so 90 km per hour 90 km means 90,000 meter Okay, hour means 60 minutes times 60 seconds Okay, so after calculations 90 km per hour actually equal to 25 meter per second 其实这两个字是一样的1秒它可以走25 meter 啦 quite fast actually. Okay, so acceleration equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. 最后的速度0减掉刚才的速度25 meter per second. And you need 5 seconds. 它需要5秒才能做到这件事情。Okay, so how much is the acceleration? I don't think this is acceleration. It should be the deceleration. 它应该是减速了。Okay, so 0 minus 25 over 5. So finally the answer will be negative 5 meter per second, or this is what we call deceleration, 减速. Okay, so this is our title called acceleration. Next, okay. Before I go to another title called ticker timer, that we need all this basic speed, velocity, acceleration. Okay, we try some simple exercise for this title. Speed, velocity, acceleration. 我们试试看它的 exercise. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.